Ever get lasered by someone you never even saw? You're not alone, legends. Here's how to see enemies better in Apex. First, tweak your settings. Go to video settings and turn up brightness to around 70 or 80. This helps reveal enemies hiding in dark areas. Next, utilize colorblind modes. If you go to gameplay and scroll down to accessibility, you'll see that you have an option between Protanopia, Tritanopia, or Deuteranopia colorblind modes. These highlight enemy shields in bright, easy to see colors. Train your eyes to spot movement, not details. Enemies have slight outlines against backgrounds, and their motion stands out. Reduce clutter by lowering texture streaming budget to around medium or low. It helps keep enemies crisp. Next, we can use optics to help us see enemies better. Use scopes with digital threats. Right now, we only have the 4 to 10 on snipers. They highlight enemies in red, making them impossible to miss in smoke or dark spots. Try these settings and let me know if they help. Follow for more quick Apex tips, and I'll see you in the Outlands.